Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, it is a snow day. So I was gonna go work on the S60R today, strip it down, but unfortunately, there's already too much snow on the ground. The forklift couldn't pull the car into the shop. And I was just like, well, I guess I'll have some fun with the FC. So the roads are all snowy. The FC, you know, it has stock suspension. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Has an LSD, so I doubt I will get stuck unless I get like buried in a snowdrift. But yeah, it should be a fun time. Let's start this video off with a rotary cold start. I have never tried to start this car when it's this cold. So let's, hopefully she starts. Maybe this video is gonna be short-lived. So I'm actually pretty surprised that the car started up that easy, and it didn't take that long for it to be idling by itself. It's fully deleted and everything. It doesn't have any of the emission stuff, any of the cold start stuff. It's very, very cold. And I mean, I guess you could tell because it has like a foot of snow out here. But yeah, I'm gonna clean off all of this snow so I can see what's going on and go take her for a snowy day rip. I started to get a lot of steam in the cabin, and the whole front is like catching snow, so it's all full of snow. So yeah, it's just like turning into a steam machine. Driving the FC around in the snow was fun while it lasted, but it doesn't really get great traction. The one thing that is good is it does have an LSD, but there isn't very many places around here to actually drive in the snow because all the streets are like narrow side streets that are dirt. And as you can see, some of them were already getting muddy. So now I will have to wash this thing, but it was definitely fun driving around. It does, it does actually, get sideways and hold the angle very well. But other than that, I mean, it would have been better if it wasn't so thick. If it was just like packed snow, it would have been a lot more fun because I would have been able to go a little bit faster. This much snow right here, some of the side roads were actually pretty deep, so I was almost like snow plowing them, even though this thing is pretty high off the ground. As you can see, that this snow right here is almost to the front lip, and you can see all that snow that's in there, and the whole engine bay is like pretty much packed with snow underneath. So yeah, it was a fun time. I'm gonna go do some other stuff. I should take the Volvo out and just, rip this thing down side roads, but I would have to jump it because the battery's dead. I already tried to start it, and yeah, this thing is a monster in the snow, but 6-speed soon, hopefully. What I got for the FC is in this box, which it's a surprise. So I'm guessing you guys probably can figure it out, but I have that. I got some wheels for the FC, which will be in the next video as well. So I'm gonna do the wheels, that, and the bushings. So they may be over maybe two videos, maybe 3, but after that the car's gonna look very, very nice. But yeah, that's the end of this video. The FC yesterday was really fun driving around in the snow, but I should have taken it over the shop yesterday. I was like, oh, it should be warmer tomorrow because it's supposed to be, I thought the news said it's supposed to be like 50 degrees today, and it was like -15. It hasn't gone over 15 degrees all day. So yeah, I should have taken it over to the shop yesterday, had it there, and then I wouldn't have had an issue. Today I could have done the wheels and done all the other stuff, but you live and you learn. So thanks for watching the video. Comment below, thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.